Hi guys, welcome to this short video about this 4 set of transparent plastic static stickers. So this is how I got it in this small plastic bag. And of course usually we are using that to apply some stickers or even maybe dash cams to a windshield. So we have 4 pieces. So we have good instructions for the step 1 and the step 2, and I would say compared to other sets we have even better protection. Sometimes we have just protection on one side, here we have protection on both of the sides. So here that's step 1, please peel off this mask before application. So we can remove this part here, you can see that here, so I hold this a little bit, and after the application, after it's attached to the windshield, we can remove the protection here, but that's not the actual sticker. So I hope you can see that here we have really protection on both of the sides, really good I would say. So I'm going to add one on my windshield and then add a dash cam so we can see then if this is strong enough to hold a dash cam. And so of course it's very important to remove all the dirt, grease, whatever is on your windshield, that it's sticking nicely. And then of course you need to remove the inner protection, that's the number 1, a little bit difficult with one hand here, and then just stick it to the windscreen with the sticky side where you remove the protection, secure it, and after it sticks nicely we can remove the number 2 protection. Just lift it up and then tear it down. And so for example when you want to use it for your dash cam, you remove the sticker of the double-sided tape and put it there exactly same way as you would attach it to the windscreen, just on the inside of this film. Something like that. Just give it a nice push that it's nicely secured. And so you can see really nice clear image from the dash cam during the day. Absolutely no problem, as perfect as it can be. Definitely nothing to complain. You can see all the details, you can read all the license plate, everything. And so this is during the night, you can see everything pretty nice and clear regarding the road and everything on the side. But there's a huge problem, and the problem is the lights. So whenever you see some lights, it will give crazy reflection. I mean, if you're good with that, usually the lights are just up here, so you can still see everything like down here, but everything, also the cars, you can see the cars which are coming towards me are causing quite some reflection. But here on this side, where I need to see everything, I can still see everything. So I went out to check and see manually to see the difference behind this sheet and without the sheet, and the difference is definitely huge. I've tried it in a couple of different situations and you can see the difference, huge difference. So it definitely works regarding strong adhesion, no problem, no complaints about that, but it definitely does not work when you have the camera behind this sticker or this foil. So basically the only option which you have to work with this foil is to put your camera, for example, here when you have the camera lens below, or vice versa if you have the camera sticker, the tape here and the camera on top. Just the camera has to be outside on the left top or bottom. It cannot be behind this sheet to work properly, especially during the night. During the day obviously no problem. So of course I didn't test that for a week or months or so. I had it just overnight. It was pretty cold, now it's very warm and it looks like everything is super stable. When I try to pull here, you can see I'm pulling this thing down and it's not coming down. I can't see that this thing will just fall off accidentally. I would say that's not going to happen unless you did something wrong. So let's see if we can remove this just here by lifting up. Looks like it's easy. Of course I have just one hand free, but you can see I can easily grab this here on the side with my fingernail and lift it up. But of course now I need 2 hands to hold the camera and lift it up at the same time. Okay, let's pull here. Let's see if we can remove that. Just pulling here and it's gone and there is absolutely no residue. Yeah, I've been just pulling this down here. You can see the dash cam is still sticking to the foil, so it didn't like really fall down. You can really just pull here on the side, on one of the sides, and then pull, and at some point the whole thing will come off and there is absolutely no residue, nothing to see, absolutely perfect. Maybe also a question is then if we could just stick it back, if we want to have it back here, and it looks like, yeah, that's working. Yeah, it's pretty amazing. We could just stick it back and it has a really nice hold again. Of course, I touched it maybe a little bit too much, but if you grab it pretty clean, I would say it should be possible to just put it back. Of course, what's also interesting, or what could be interesting to know, is if we can remove the camera from this foil here. So we could maybe even reuse the same foil for another dash cam. So let's pull here a little bit and see what's going to happen. Yeah, it looks like okay. Yeah, pretty amazing. I was not expecting that. I was thinking it would stick on the foil and destroy the 3M tape, but it's not going to happen. There's a little bit of damage here, but probably not even too much. You can see it, yeah, it's still sticking. That's pretty amazing. So if you keep the protection film here for this sheet, you can even reuse it, or you just put it down like that with the sticky side to the top. I mean, this side is really a little bit sticking. There is no real glue or so, no real adhesive, but it's still sticking really good. Yeah, this is as good as it gets. Yeah, definitely nothing to complain, or actually full recommendation from my side. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.